Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remote start your Porsche Macan. It's important to know that Porsche Macan models typically do not come with a factory-installed remote engine start system. However, many owners desire this convenience, especially in extreme weather. Fortunately, there are reliable aftermarket solutions designed specifically for your vehicle. These systems allow you to warm up or cool down your Macan before you even step inside, enhancing your comfort significantly. One common method for remote starting your Macan involves using your existing factory key fob. With an installed aftermarket system, you can usually activate the remote start by pressing the lock button 3 consecutive times. After sending the command, you will observe the vehicle's lights flash, indicating that the engine is preparing to start. This integration means you don't need to carry an extra remote, keeping things simple and familiar. Beyond the key fob, many advanced aftermarket remote start systems also offer a dedicated smartphone application. This app provides unlimited range, allowing you to control your Macan from virtually anywhere with cellular service. You can easily start or stop the engine, lock or unlock the doors, and even track your vehicle's location. This feature adds a layer of convenience and peace of mind, making your daily routine smoother. Before installing an aftermarket remote start system, there are a few crucial points to consider. Always opt for professional installation by experienced technicians to ensure the system functions correctly and safely. It is also vital to confirm that any chosen kit is fully compatible with your specific Macan model. Lastly, be mindful that installing aftermarket electronics could potentially affect your vehicle's warranty, so it is wise to consult with your dealer beforehand.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.